Greetings from Praia de Matosinhos here in Porto, Portugal. And this is my last beach adventure from Porto. And it is the seventh beach adventure of today, 4th of February 2024. And in total, during the course of these 3 days, Friday to Sunday, it's number 32. Yes, that's right. I think it's 32 different beaches in less than 3 days here in Porto. So I have a flight to catch 2.5 hours from the airport. Luckily it's not that far, but I really want to enjoy and grasp the moment here of the last beach adventure. And I saved the best for last. Truly fantastic beach, perfect for surfing. However, I saw a sign over there that it's not recommended to swim. It's not suitable for bathing, but I can here in 2017 and I'm still alive. So this was the beach that I visited 7 years ago when I explored Porto, and I'm really happy that I have a chance to revisit it again this February. I mean, it has been a blast of the weather, perfect for swimming for myself, that I enjoy these weather temperatures. Currently, degrees Celsius in the air. The ocean, Atlantic Ocean, is 13.7. So quite chilly. Lots of surfers that are surfing here, and it is perfect conditions with the waves. And so beautiful. There are so many people on the beach. Yes, it's a Sunday and perfect weather. So yes, and I am filming this on my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, as I had an issue with my GoPro that it stopped working yesterday during my beach adventures when I was filming, so it's this that I'm filming now with the static views. I hope you will enjoy this video. And without any further ado, as I am probably late for my flight, I need to then go in for a swim in the Atlantic Ocean. So follow me, we're gonna sprint. Fantastic, amazing beach adventure here in Praia de Matosinhos. The ocean is amazing. I'm really happy to be exploring, and indeed I have saved the best for last. So that's a wrap from Porto for this time. 32 beach adventures in 3 days, and I'm going to be looking more now in the beautiful ocean over here. So let's finish up with a close one here and a view on the ocean. So yes. Cool. Thanks a lot for watching. And see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.